In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude with Google Sheets for cleaner spreadsheets. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening the Google Sheets website in your browser. Once it loads, look at the recent files list on the home page and click the Starter spreadsheet to open it up. After the spreadsheet loads, look down to the bottom of the screen where the Sheet tabs are. Find the tab labeled Dirty Data and click it so the messy customer data shows on screen. Now you're going to copy all of that messy data. Click cell A1 in the sheet grid to set your starting point. From there, select the full use table, meaning every row and column that contains data. Once the entire table is highlighted, copy the selected table to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and head over to the Claude website. Once the page is ready, click into the message box at the bottom of the page where you'd normally type a prompt. Now type out your cleanup request. You can either write it from scratch describing what you want Claude to do with the data, or feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment if one is provided. After your prompt is in place, press Shift plus Enter 2 times to add a blank line below the prompt. This gives the data some breathing room. Then paste the copied table directly below the prompt, so Claude can see both the instructions and the messy data together. When everything looks right, click Send. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now wait for Claude to finish responding. It will process the table and return a cleaned up version formatted as CSV. Once it's done, look at the CSV code block in Claude's reply. If a copy button appears on the code block, simply click Copy, and the cleaned data goes straight to your clipboard. If there is no copy button visible, you'll need to do it manually. Select only the CSV text, starting from the header row at the top all the way down through the final row of data. Once it's highlighted, copy the selected CSV text. Now switch back to your Google Sheets tab. Return to the Customer Cleanup Demo tab so you're in the right spreadsheet. Look at the bottom left of the screen at the Sheet tab bar and click the plus icon to create a brand new sheet. Once the new tab appears, double-click the new sheet tab name so you can rename it. Type Claude Cleaned as the name for this tab, which makes it easy to identify later. After renaming, click cell A1 in the blank grid to place your cursor at the top left corner. Then paste the clean CSV directly into the sheet. Google Sheets will automatically split the CSV into columns and rows for you. Now it's time to confirm that your spreadsheet is actually cleaner. Compare the Claude Clean tab side by side with the Dirty Data tab to spot the differences. First, look at the Names column and confirm the names use consistent capitalization throughout. Then check the emails and confirm they are all lowercase with no random uppercase letters mixed in. Move on to phone numbers and sign updates, and confirm that each of these uses one consistent format across every row. Finally, look at the Cleanup Note column. Confirm that this column properly flags the duplicate Priya Singh row and points out any rows where details were missing or had to be standardized. And that's the result. Your Google Sheet now has a Claude Clean tab with fully standardized customer data and a helpful Cleanup Note column showing what was changed. You can clearly see the before and after difference between the two tabs. The original Dirty Data tab stays messy and untouched, while the new Claude-generated tab is polished and ready for filtering, review, or exporting wherever you need it next. That's the full workflow from start to finish, taking raw, inconsistent data and turning it into something clean and usable in just a few minutes using Claude alongside Google Sheets.